Yellow steel strip is not just coloured for looks, it's heat treated and surface oxidized for a reason. Let's explore where it's used and why. First, hand tools. Products like putty knives, trowels and scrapers often use yellow steel strips. These tools need to be flexible yet wear resistant. Yellow strips can bend under pressure but return to shape without cracking, ideal for construction and decoration work. Second, spring components. Yellow steel is widely used in rolling shutter door springs and flat springs. Its tempered hardness and excellent rebound make it reliable for repeated rolling without failure. The coloured surface also helps resist rust in humid environments. Third, footwear accessories. Shoe shanks and toe caps need to be hard, formable and corrosion resistant. Yellow steel delivers on all fronts, and the colour finish helps identify material grades during manufacturing. Fourth, blades and saw base materials. For small saws and industrial knives, yellow steel provides both the strength and flexibility needed for precise cutting. It won't snap under tension and stays sharp longer. And finally, hardware and metal fittings, for example, clips, washers, brackets and fasteners. These components benefit from yellow steel's flatness, clean edges, and protective oxide layer, especially in outdoor or high moisture settings. So it's not just a yellow strip, it's a high performance material trusted across industries. Ask us today for samples or custom specifications.